Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Today's video is about fabric prepping. As you guys know from my previous video, I'm going to be making the Zimmerman inspired dress. It is inspired, so there's definitely some elements that you will recognize from that dress, but I don't want to make it completely as is. I'm going to use mood patterns. I'm going to be hacking their patterns. So I have the Shirley skirt, I have the ginger dress sleeves, and probably I'll probably use the ginger dress bodice, but I'm not sure yet because I was still kind of in between thinking that maybe I'll use one of McCall's patterns, but I'm not sure yet. These are the fabrics I showed you in the previous video. Everything I'm going to wash everything on 15 minutes, so I have a 15 minutes wash option on my washing machine. So let me take you guys to the washing machine. And about the pattern, this is the Shirley skirt, and the Shirley skirt is just a complete pattern. I'm going to put a picture in here. It's just a complete skirt, pleated skirt. But because I needed pleating and layering in the skirt, if you look at the Zimmerman dress, what I did was I hacked it. So that is what you're seeing right here with all the colorful things, because after a while I was getting a little confused. So the yellow line, the yellow highlighter is the 1.5 centimeters. Then you have the piece before the pleat itself, the piece in between. So each piece has 2 pleats. And then at the end you will have another seam allowance again. This is what I'm going to use to create my patches. While editing this video, I noticed that I didn't sign off, so I'm going to do that in just a second. But I thought I would give you a little bit of a preview of what is going to come to next week, in next week's video. And that is what the skirt is looking like thus far. I had a little poll off the internet with my friends and to check which fabric I should put next to each other. I already noticed something that I'm going to talk to you guys about in the next video. Hopefully I'll be able to finish off the second layer and the third layer during this week, as well as the back of the skirt, so I can actually give you like an actual presentation of the skirt. But it's looking really cute. I am so excited, so excited about it. I am still thinking, should I do it 2 or 3? Let me see if I can get. So this is 2 layers, so I believe the 3 layers would be like around here. So let's check and see. So as always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. Hope to see you next week and have a great day. Bye.